This is the great legend, and I am coming at you live. Whoa. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Jeremy from Trinity Comics back again with another video. This time is an unboxing of an act of kindness that I got from the great legend. Now, when you receive a package in the mail that has that guy's picture on it, you know it's going to be something special. Now, he told me he was sending me something, so this is a pretty big box. So let's just go get into it, unbox this right quick. Hopefully I don't cut my fingers off with this knife here. Let's see. That would be horrible. Let's see here. It's a pretty huge box. Now, I've heard from several people that Legend told me he was sending me something. When I mentioned it, they said when Legend sends you something, it's a pretty special thing. So he doesn't send me any acts of kindness. We got a letter here. Now I'm not sure. I think this is a letter. Yeah. Alright, I'm pretty sure he wouldn't mind me reading this. It just says, Jeremy, these books are moving in with you, brother. If I find any more, they will follow. Enjoy the books. Peace out and God bless. Rob, the great legend. I've actually got to know Legend pretty good. We've been playing Xbox at night some. And a couple different times. Let's see. It looks like it's a bunch of different packages in here, which has got me intrigued. Let me get my knife back out because this one says reader copies, fragile. Okay, so let's open this up and look. Kind of intrigued, to be honest with you. I don't know what this is. I kind of have an idea what it is, but then again, everything's a mystery. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Dude. Legend. First off, we got The Walking Dead number 101 and 102. And this is, oh man, 99. Oh, snap. Dude, Legend. Walking Dead 100. First appearance of Negan. This is... Thank you, brother. Thank you. This is the first little package in that said reader copies, and these look like great copies to me. So, alright. Now we got... I'm going to have to set this big old box down because we got a Walmart bag with some more boxes in it. 2 Walmart bags. Great packaging by the great legend. That cat knows what's up, man. Let's cut these right along here. This dude, I'm not even going to try to cut that right there. I'll just unfold it. Oh, wow. Walking Dead number 97. These are in Mylar, by the way. This one is Walking Dead 98. Holy crap. Legend. 99. Another 100. This dude. 101. 102. 103. 104. See that? 104. 105. I'm scared to open these other packages, Legend Man. You went above and beyond, brother. This is amazing. Trying to cut this so I don't. I'm kind of in shock here, so if I don't talk much, it's because yeah, actually at all. Because what I love the Walking Dead TV show. I wasn't collecting comics when they came out, and when I got into comics, I knew they were too far gone for me to try to get into it. So I'm kind of starting to collect the comics that I can afford. But we got 106 here. Like I said, I don't know much about which of these are keys besides the issue of Negan because I couldn't get into them. 107. So I hadn't even read the comics. I've been told they differ from the show pretty good. So it's 107. Now I know this one right here is a key issue. Wow. First appearance of Ezekiel, 108. $109. Man, that Mylar just makes them pop too. Legend, you went above and beyond, brother. Like I said, 110. $111. That's a sick cover with Negan on the cover up, man. That's definitely gonna be having to check these out. 112. Man. 113. If I put some of these books off camera, it's because everything's backwards to me, so I'm having to try to figure out how it looks to you guys. 114. This is amazing. And there's more. He didn't just stop there. This dude. Nah. Cat sent me in this bag with Batman on it. Check that out. So, my knife over here. Trying to be very careful. I think I heard Legend say you cut along the cardboard one time, which is what I'm trying to do. That way you don't cut the books. Or yourself. Which I almost did in the last video. I think it was the last video that I did with this first video with that new knife. Being careless. And we got 115. Dude, this is like a huge run of Walking Dead. 116. Mylar's got the glare, but it makes the colors pop. Do it like that for you. Man, this is about the best I can do right there. 116. 117. 118. Let's take the glare off there. 119. This is amazing, dude. 120. $121, another good cover with Negan on it. 122. You see that? This Mylar got a bad glare on it. 123. This is 129. Can't really see. There it is. 120. I think it's 129. Yeah, 129. And then this is a Michonne special. Walking Dead number 1. Walking Dead Michonne special. And then here's a free comic book day. Walking Dead. It just says compliments of Lone Star Comics. This is pretty amazing, Legend, man. This is, yeah, this is pretty awesome, dude. I can't thank you a ton. I can't say thank you enough, man. This is just amazing. When you said you were sending me something, I was expecting like maybe one book. But wow, I'm speechless. Like, what was it? 2 copies of Walking Dead 100 and the first appearance of Ezekiel. So I'm blown away, bro. Thank you, brother. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of speechless. I've said that a million times just because it's true. From the bottom of my heart, man, thank you. I really don't know what else to say, dude. I'm in shock. They're gonna go in their own long box, not long box, but short box. I got a short box that I had started putting my Outcast and what little bit of Walking Dead that I did have in there. So this will definitely help fill that up. I think I'm gonna start trying to fill in the run. I started picking up at 156, I think, and I started getting the connecting covers after that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start trying to connect the run. I mean, fill in the run between where this left off, which was 129, I think it was. Yeah, from 129 on to 156, and then just collect from here on out. Because I'll probably never be able to get the other ones because they're out of my price range. But yeah, Legend, man. This is insanity. This is wow. I'm just gonna go ahead and log off because I don't know what else to say to you, man. This is just amazing. This is really, it is. It's above and beyond. You did more than you should have, to be honest with you, because I know those Walking Dead 100 when Negan appears on the show for a full length of time. He has had his cameo, but I've got a feeling when he appears the whole time that those books will skyrocket. But I'm never gonna sell them. This is amazing, dude. This is amazing. Thank you, brother. This is Jeremy from Trinity Comics, and wow, I'm locking out, guys. Later.